First time driving my new car.
Watch the front when you take it off, Rick. Don't want to damage it. That's why it won't go in a straight line.
Yeah.
We have a little bit of lock.
I can see the issue.
Look at the caster on it though.
Yeah.
It's alive! But start some runs, Dad.
That's it. Project complete.
That's it. Like and subscribe. Does us a favour. The subscriptions obviously shows the value of the videos and the like button. So algorithms stuff. I don't know. The better the videos do, the sort of it's self-perpetuating almost. So.
Hello, sir.
Welcome to my hole of nothing. It's a part. It wasn't fun. I have a boo-boo now.
What have you done?
I took the broken bits off, and then I remembered that stuff rusts, and I don't like rust. So. I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Mate, I'm excited.
It's real now, isn't it?
Yeah.
At least someone is.
Where do you want me to push without it crumbling? Oh, no, that's flat.
Right. That's why it won't go in a straight line.
Yeah.
We have a little bit of lock.
I can see the issue.
Look at the caster on it though.
Yeah. It's track ready.
Track ready. That ain't moving, mate.
Yeah, that's what I mean, look. There's rubber on there.
Mate, yes it is.
He's
I
got
saw
it.
that.
There we go.
Clever. Did that without steering wheel moving.
I know.
It's cool, isn't it?
Who puts tyre dressing on a written off car? Right. Might need to move that white R8.
Take two.
It's still...
Yeah, go on.
It's alive! It's got no oil in!
That's not too bad.
No, but that cable is this charging cable for the alternator. That's what that is.
Every day's a school day.
No, they've torn it out, and what they've done is they've taped it up and lifted it up out here. That's what's happened. It's gone over. It's torn the underside, under tray off, and it's done that. So that's what that is. Because my alternator light's on. But start some runs, Dad.
That's it. Project complete.
That's it. It's going to cost me more to fix in replacing rusty bolts, I think, than it is in broken parts. So that's the upright, and it had snapped the end piece off, so that's for the tie rod. So I've taken the top arm off because I'm going to get them powder coated. So I'm going to get them blasted and powder coated.
Ooh, flash.
I need a new ball joint because that one's broken. It's not very good. This one seems all right. I got a new track rod coming, and I need a new tie rod because it's got a bend in it. I don't know whether you can see it on camera.
I can certainly see it. It's a bit...
So I think we'll put a pair of tie rods on it, a pair of track rods on it. I've got a new hub coming, new bearing carrier coming. I need a new ball joint. I'm going to strip this arm off and get them powder coated. So I'll get them stripped and powder coated because they're looking a little worse for wear. So we'll get them done. The discs have seen better days, to be honest. I'll measure them, see how much thickness we've got, but the inside edge is knackered. I'm going to send the calipers off to Johnny at BCR and get them done because everything's just a bit tired, mate. And then probably get in there strip everything out, get in there with my wire brush and give everything a good clean. But I think what I'm sort of going to do first is get everything sort of up, when a new hub comes, half back together and get it sat over there so I can put it up on axle stands. Because I need to I want to take the under tray off. So yeah, it's it'll be all right. We'll get there. So it's just like,
So it's not just fixing this, is it? It's fixing the broken bits, but it's also some renovation with resto.
Yeah, like it needs this front bracket area because this is all bent. So like I need to strip the front off, strip the rads out, strip the paneling off, and then we can see what's bent then.
Yeah.
Just where it's like obviously just box section and it's just had a big whack. So yeah, it's snapped the other side off. It's damaged in here. But it's okay. It's less I've got a rust proof. So yeah, we'll get that done. I just don't know how it turns up. So we'll get that done. Yeah, it's just over time. People have obviously done bits and pieces, and it's just just needs it. Like look at the state of that shock. Mate, not a chance. I'm driving it to the bottom of the street on that, let alone going around track on it.
Yeah.
And it's like it's starting to rust in the past, and just people have just like slapped silver paint over the top of the rust. So scrap, get shot. So
where are you at with acquiring other bits?
Dave sorted out a hub. He sent me a photo this morning, so that's on its way. I need to order that bit, the bracket piece, because that's currently bending at the minute, or bent. Yeah, so it just there's a few bits that just need a little bit of love, and we'll get there. I'm gonna have to block it up on wood for the time being, I think, because I can't get an axle stand under it. But yeah, it'll be alright, mate. It'll be alright.
All good.
I know. So
well, introducing the project, the first video seemed to go down pretty well.
It did go down well. Sounds like a V10 though, didn't you think?
Strange that.
Yeah, I thought that.
It's almost like there's lots of V10s in the shop being worked on.
I know. That's what I thought as well. So yeah, it's at that point now where I just need to keep taking broken bits off.
Yeah.
And the more broken shit I take off, the better it'll look. And then when we got all the broken stuff off, that's when we can then start to put bits back together. So lots and lots of Ziploc bags to fix all the broken, like to keep it all together, like all the screws and stuff. So get this clamshell out of the way. I'll get it on a roof or something, get it out of the way. But I feel a lot better, I think, when the broken, like you look at it now and it just looks knackered. Like we took the clams off the other day, didn't we? And it just looks 10 times better.
Yeah,
so, yeah, I think I'll restore the front and then I'll do the back. So yes, get some bits on, get the upright on, and then yeah, we can work from there.
Excellent.
I think what we'll do as well is, we did it in the last one for Josh's, but these videos seem to be going down well on the Noble. So if you like, subscribe, and chuck a comment below, we'll pick 5 random people to get a bit of merch, get a t-shirt or hoodie or something. So
Cool.
we'll have to make some Noble ones.
We will, and I'll try and spell Noble correctly in the
Yeah,
description this time.
yeah, that didn't go down well. But it's fine. It's fine. So yeah, I think we've got some other bits from what we were playing around with the other day. So yeah, we'll get some more bits and pieces on the way, and then literally get it brought back together and see what's what.
Sounds good to me.
See you next time.
Till next time.
Laters.